Well, to help students, the Montana Board of Regents is temporarily adjusting admission requirements for the public universities. The board held a conference call this afternoon and agreed to waive the requirement that all students apply to a four-year university have to submit an ACT or SAT score. Now, this change would allow students to prove proficiency in math and writing through their grade point average instead of a standardized test. These adjustments would apply through September 2021. Leaders say it strikes a balance between maintaining quality and making sure all students still have a fair shot at the school of their choice.
We pride ourselves on being an open access state. It's one of our key priorities as a system. However, we want to make sure students are prepared. And I believe that this method of applying to our campuses still meets that commitment to college preparation.
Now, students will still need an ACT or SAT score in order to qualify for some state merit scholarships.